7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be talking about Solana. Solana is an altcoin currently trading for $34. Guys, is the Solana bottom in? Right now altcoins are having a little rally, Solana included. Solana is up 20% in the last 24 hours. Guys, in this video we're looking at the Solana US dollar price chart, comparing it to the Ethereum US dollar price chart. What the Ethereum doing is first bear market. Remember, Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization in 2019 when the market tumbled. How far the Ethereum tumbled in the bear market? How far can Solana tumble in this bear market? Have we gotten to the bottom, or do we have further downside? We'll also be looking at how Solana is performing against Ethereum, how it's performing against Bitcoin, and then we'll look at the Solana market cap chart. And guys, Bitcoin Dominance has some information for us. We'll be taking a look at it. Where can Solana go in the nearest future and in the coming future? How high can Solana go? Will this rally be sustained? I'll be answering all those questions in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Solana is up 20% in the last 24 hours, it's down 13% in the last week, it's down 37% in the last month, and it's down 0.5% in the last 1 year. Guys, Solana is still ranked number 9 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $11.6 billion. We have 342 million souls in circulation. In the last 1 year, it has gone as low as $20 and as high as $260. Guys, this is the Solana US dollar price chart. Solana has returned wonderful returns since April 2020. Right now we're in a dip, and this is the biggest dip Solana has seen since its inception. The first dip Solana had right here was around 77%. Solana recovered, went on another monster run. It had another dip right here. It had another how many percent dip? 66% dip. And right now we're in the biggest dip Solana has had since its inception. Solana is down over 90%. Guys, is the bottom in for Solana? Because from 2020, Solana returned over 10,000%. Solana returned actually 53,000% for investors. Right now it's down 90%. If you got in 2020, you are still up over 6,500%. Guys, is this bottom of Solana in? Should we be getting more Solana right now, or should we expect further downside? We're looking at the Ethereum price chart from 2017, 2018, how did Ethereum behave in the previous bear market? Ethereum 2 was launched just before the bull run started in October 2015. Ethereum went up over 339,000% at the top of the bull run. What did Ethereum do in the bear market? Ethereum dumped, and before we saw that first dump in Ethereum in the bear market, Ethereum has not experienced really large dumps. The first dump Ethereum had was an 89% dump. This was the people that got it at the ICO, they dumped it. Usual for cryptos. Ethereum had another 72% dump right here. Then Ethereum had another, with the final dump Ethereum had before it went on its final monster run, it had a 67% dump. During the bear market in 2017, 2018, guys, Ethereum dropped over 94% before it found the bottom. And it found its bottom when Bitcoin found its bottom. So Ethereum kept dumping till it got to 94%. It went from as high as $1,462 to as low as $85. A lot of people are lucky to buy Ethereum at the bottom here, but you can see that it actually bottom where there was no actually any legit support. It just found its bottom where Bitcoin found its bottom. A lot of people thought Ethereum might get to as low as $17. They're waiting for the final dip. It didn't get that low. Right now, guys, Solana is almost in the same situation. Solana is down 89% from its all-time high. This is the largest dump we have had in Solana since Solana was launched. Will it go down further? Is Bitcoin bottom in? Because guys, for Solana to actually find its bottom, I think we have to find the bottom of Bitcoin, just like we did in Ethereum in 2018, 2017. Guys, all coins are very risky, and when they dump very hard. Bitcoin is currently trading for $22,000. We have not found the bottom of Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is reducing. That's a good sign for the altcoin market. We'll come back to Bitcoin dominance very quickly. But how low can Solana go in the bear market? If Solana is going to replicate what Ethereum did in the previous bear market, but just playing around with numbers right here, guys, we might see Solana drop low as 94% from the all-time high. If Solana dropped 94% from the all-time high, we might see a $15 Solana or $16 thereabout. A lot of people watching this video might not want to hear that, because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in Solana, probably want to buy Solana, or you're probably holding some Solana. But guys, That's just what the chart is saying. And all coins actually do this. They can actually drop 94 to 99% and still recover all that value during the next bull run. Right now, you can see that from the launch date for Solana, it has pumped really well. So if you got in early, you should still be in profit. And if you're complaining that you're in losses, maybe you got in late. Because even the guys that bought the bottom right here in the dip we had in May 2021 when Bitcoin came back to 28K and the whole crypto market tanked, people thought that that was the beginning of the bear market. Solana was trading for just $20 then. And investors that invested in 2020, guys, they were still up over 4,000% in that dip. That's the dip we had in May 2021. And after that dip, the guys that bought in here, they had a wonderful ride to the top. They still got in over 1,100% on their investments. Right now, should we get some Solana? Solana is down 89% from its all-time high. Is this the beginning of a rally? Maybe we're going to start pumping to new highs. But for us to do it, Bitcoin has to show us the way, because all the time Solana has been pumping, Bitcoin has actually been pumping. If you see what Ethereum did in 2018, it dumped 94%. But guys, what did Ethereum do after that? Ethereum returned over 4,000%, actually returned 6,200% in the next bull run. I'm not saying Solana will do exactly what Ethereum has done, but if Solana drops, we're just playing with numbers here, guys. This is not financial advice. If Solana dropped 94% just like Ethereum did in 2017, 2018, and Solana had a pump of over 6,000%, what is the price we're going to see Solana in the next bull run? Where will Solana probably top in the next bull run? Guys, Solana probably go to as high as $800, maybe $900. Only time will tell. But guys, it's going to take a really long time. Why? Because the market is actually not favorable right now. Bitcoin has to find its bottom. It doesn't look as Bitcoin is finding its bottom anytime soon. Another hope for Solana, guys, is that Bitcoin dominance is reducing, which means all coins are actually outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. If all coins are outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum, it means all coins are not dumping as hard as Bitcoin and Ethereum, or they are pumping harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum, or they're not even dumping and Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually dumping. So let's see what Solana is doing against Ethereum now. Solana was launched in 2020, had a massive pump against Ethereum. When Ethereum started going on its bull run, guess what happened to Solana? Huge dump. Over 85% dump in just 124 days. Guys, when Ethereum was now done with its own run and the altcoins started running, other altcoins started running, Solana included, Solana put in a mad return against Ethereum. It put in over 3,600% against Ethereum. Since Solana topped against Ethereum in September 2021, it has been gradually losing value against Ethereum. Yes, guaranteed, it has not been losing crazy valuations against Ethereum. Like, it's not down 90% against Ethereum, it's just down 65% against Ethereum. But guys, it looks as if the tide is changing, because since the 3rd of June 2022, the market has still been tanking. The Bitcoin has been tanking. Ethereum has gotten below its previous 2018 all-time high. Ethereum is currently at 1,100. But guess what? Solana has actually pumped against Ethereum. It means Solana has actually outperformed Ethereum in the last 2 weeks. Solana is up 33% against Ethereum. If you had gotten Solana 3 weeks ago, it would have still been 32% instead of holding Ethereum. The people that got Ethereum instead of holding Solana are down bad. You can see Ethereum is below its 2018 all-time high, and people are predicting we might get Ethereum low as $800. Some people are actually predicting goblin town, maybe $350. Now, how is Solana performing against Bitcoin? You can see that it's outperforming Ethereum in the short time. So will you be holding Solana because outperforming Ethereum? Will this just be a short-lived rally and will continue dumping? Only time will tell right now. But guys, Solana against Bitcoin is actually outperforming Bitcoin. Think about it. Solana is outperforming Ethereum, is outperforming Bitcoin. Yes, this is a short-term time frame. We might continue dumping. It's not guaranteed to continue outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin in the nearest future. In the last 6 days, Solana is up over 40% on its Bitcoin pairing. So Solana is outperforming Bitcoin and is outperforming Ethereum. Crazy to see. What did Solana do against Bitcoin since its inception? In 2020, Solana pumped against Bitcoin. It was after the COVID sell-off and the market started recovering. Solana went on a 600% pump, and then it dumped when Bitcoin was ready to roll. Because when Bitcoin is rolling, guys, most altcoins have to wait for Bitcoin to finish its madness in the market. But when Bitcoin finished and allowed altcoins to run, what did Solana do? It gave us mad returns. From December 2020 to September 2021, Solana returned over 9,000% against Bitcoin. Crazy numbers if you think about it, guys. If you got the bottom of Solana against Bitcoin in December 2020, you are still up over 3,100% on your investment in Solana. So if you flipped all your Bitcoin for some Solana in 2020, right now you would have still been up 3,100% on your investment. Crazy. But Solana has been losing value against Bitcoin since it topped in September. It lost over 75% of its value. Right now, it has recovered to be losing only 60% of its value. Funny enough, it's actually performing well. Will it continue performing well? Only time will tell whether this is just a short-lived pump or this is a trend in the future. Because guys, think about a world where all coins take over and Bitcoin and Ethereum are no longer number one. Yes, it might be hypothetical. It might never happen. But guys, never say never. Solana is not there. Solana will rise again. Yes, it might go to as low as $15, but I've seen Ethereum came as low as 94% from its previous all-time high. But you can see what Ethereum did after that. Monster bull run. So I believe if Solana comes that low, the only thing we're going to get is another monster bull run when the bull run comes back. But guys, the macro conditions is not favorable for any pump right now. You're not hearing people talking about all season. People are just trying to protect their capital. So you want to get into the safest project as possible. Now, past history has shown that has been Bitcoin and Ethereum. But right now, the way things are flipping and changing, nobody can actually say. Solana market cap right now is currently at $11.6 billion. Wild, if you think about it. From being valued at less than $1 million, Solana rose up huge in just 519 days. Crazy. But from the top of the market where Solana topped at over $78 billion, Solana is down over 88% on its market cap chart. Guys, another reason why Solana might not set a new all-time high anytime soon is because we still have more Solana coming into supply. A lot of the coins are going to be unlocked in the future. So you might see the market cap increasing, but you might not see corresponding increase in the price. So the market cap can increase like 200%. The price might just increase like 80% because more tokens are coming into circulation. We're entering the bear market where a lot of these tokens are going to get unlocked. So you want to be very careful with all coins. You want to check the circulating supply. You want to check when are the coins going to get unlocked. Solana dominance in the market is increasing. That's good to see. I hope this is not a short-lived pump for all coins and Solana included. Solana dominance in the market was basically less than 1%. It was 0.003. And at the top of the market, Solana dominance was as high as 2.8% of the total crypto market. Right now, it's at 1.22%. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Solana will pump into new highs? Or do you think this is just a rally to get people bullish and get them wrecked again? Is this exit pump? Or this is the start of a relief rally? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about Solana. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. For more awesome videos like this, turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.